Your career has an expiration date. Not in 40 years, not even in 20. In many cases, it is closer to 5. Because the world of work is changing faster than ever before. Technology evolves, industries shift, entire professions appear and disappear within a decade. And if your skill stays the same while the worlds move forward, your career slowly becomes irrelevant. This is why some of the most successful professionals follow a simple rule. Every 5 years, they reinvent themselves. For most of the 20th century, careers were predictable. You studied one subject, you joined one company, you climbed one ladder. And often, you stayed there for 30 or 40 years. But that model no longer reflects reality. Today, people change jobs many times during their working lives. Many will change entire careers more than once. Technology accelerates this change. New tools appears, new industries emerges, old skills lose value. Which means something important. The safest career strategy today is not stability, it is adaptability. The modern career does not look like a ladder anymore. It looks more like an evolving system. Think about software. Every few years, it requires updates, security patches, new versions. Careers work the same way. If you stop updating your skills, your thinking, and your direction, the system becomes outdated. But if you continuously evolve, your career becomes stronger with time. So how do people actually reinvent their careers? Not randomly, not chaotically. There is a pattern, a simple cycle that many resilient professionals follow. The first step is observation. Every industry moves in waves. Some skills become less valuable, others suddenly become essential. The key question is not, where is my job today? The better question is, where is the world going? The people who notice change early gain a powerful advantage. Next comes honesty. You look at your skills and ask 3 difficult questions. Which of my skills are becoming outdated? Which skills are becoming more valuable? And which of my abilities can transfer into new fields? Careers today are built not on one skill, but on combinations of skills. The more unique your combination, the more resilient your career becomes. Reinvention does not mean starting from zero. In fact, the strongest reinvention built on the past. A writer learns video storytelling, a marketer learns data analytics, an engineer learns production design. Each new skills become another layer, and over time, those layers create something powerful, a career that is difficult to replace. Most people think reinvention requires a dramatic jump, but the smartest people treat reinvention like research. They experiment, a side project, a small collaboration, a new course, a freelance opportunity. Small experiments reveal which paths are worth pursuing, and they reduces the risk of major change. The final step is psychological. Many people attach their identity to a single profession. I'm a lawyer, I'm a teacher, I'm an engineer. But resilient professionals think differently. They define themselves by their ability to solve problems. When identity becomes flexible, reinvention becomes possible. Here is the deeper truth. Career reinvention is rarely about intelligence. It is usually about courage. The courage to learn again, the courage to change direction, the courage to leave comfort behind. Because every reinvention contains uncertainty. But the alternative is something far more dangerous, standing still while the world moves forward. A career is no longer a single path. It is a series of chapters. And every few years, the world turns the page. People who thrive in the future will not be the one who resist change. They will be the ones who expect it, the one who adapt, the one who reinvent themselves again and again.